Hello everyone and welcome to Orange Studios. I'm Montserrat, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how to do a flyer for a church choir with 2 invited guests. Let's jump in. And so we want to keep today's canvas size to a perfect square. So we want to do 4" by 4". Every other thing is okay. Now, first things first, we want to drop in our textures or our background. Hit enter. Let's take this up and then Ctrl T to activate the transforms and enlarge this texture here, and we are good to go. The next thing is to create the shape in which we are going to drop in the choir and then the guest artist. So we're going to create a shape, custom shape, drag this here, add an anchor point. Let's see if we can add 2 anchor points. One here and one there. Now we want to delete one other anchor point, which is this one. So select the delete anchor point and then click on this anchor point to delete. Shortcut A to activate the direct select tool. Click on one handle, press on the shift key and drag it down. Click on another handle and then drag it. So we have this curved edge. We want to do the same to this, and to do that we want to add some anchor point and again delete some anchor points. So it's simple. There are several ways of going about this, but you can go this way. So we are done with the shape. So the next thing is to drop in the picture, but before then let's add a stroke to the shape. So double click on this side of the layer and then select stroke. Click on this side, change the stroke. We want to change the stroke fill to gradient. Click on this side and then select a gradient. So I already have this gradient done here, so I'll go for either this or this. They are both gold. I think this works better. The stroke size is okay for me. You can adjust it as you want, maybe make it 7. It all depends on your taste, or what you want, I should say. Okay, so with this done, the next thing is to drop in the picture of the choir. Press and hold on Alt, take your mouse in between this layer and that layer, and then click once to clip mask. Ctrl T to bring out transformation so that we can reduce the size of the picture. Press and hold on the Alt key and click on one anchor point and drag it towards the center. So there we go. We are done with the mask choir. We want to drop their name up there. You can play around with the colors until you're satisfied with what you see, but black is an easy color to go for. But let's drag it away. Reduce the font size further. It's too big. Yes, this is okay. Create another shape. This time we're going to create an ellipse shape. Press on shift to have a uniform transformation and then let it go. Let's change this to black. So you just come over here, double click on the thumbnail down here and change the color to black. Okay, so now it's time to drop in our logo. Make the logo gold, so we want to apply gradient overlay, and we do that by double clicking and then apply a gradient overlay. So I've already selected the gold I want, so it's applied. Let's center it. Yes, so this is okay. So let's play with the font a little, make it bold. Yes, so this is okay. Okay, so now let's create a shape down here for some extra information, and we'll try as much as possible to make it same size as this. Now let's create a space for the guest ministers. 1, 2. So again, we are going to try to round the corner of this particular shape here. So let's add an anchor point like we did previously. Add one anchor point here and delete an anchor point. And that's it. Let's drop this one. Let's mask it to this box. So take your mouse between this layer and that layer, press and hold on Alt and then click once. There you have it. Now let's bring the next image. So now let's add their names to it. So Control T to bring out the transformation, press and hold T on the shift and then turn it. So now let's add the event name. Gratitude of worship. And you're going to use the font Niagara Solid. Change the font color to white. Increase the font size. For the worship, I'm going to use the font Creattion. Let's drag it over here. And then let's use Montserrat to write out the off. Let's put this in the group so we minimize the activity here. So this is the theme. And this would be the images or the guest. Let's add some dynamics to it by duplicating this layer, Ctrl J, reduce the size. Press and hold on Shift as you reduce the size. If you are using the older version, if you are not, you can just drag along, and then let's drag it over here. let's take this layer behind us and copy this layer style. And paste. We can repeat this by duplicating Ctrl J and adjust. Yes, so there we have it. We can apply the gold over the text. I think white is okay. It's now time to add a venue. Duplicate this, Ctrl J, and then add a detailed information like landmark. Let's change the font type, the font style to let's say medium. Reduce the font size to let's say 8, and then yeah. So let's make it smaller so we can increase this better. Okay, so this is turning out good. Let's draw a shape to distinguish the venue from the contact details. So let's say duplicate this and drag it down here, and then add some contact details to it. Let's add a social media handle. Okay, let's rasterize this and then use the magic wand to select the black area, and then Ctrl J to duplicate and then delete this layer. Okay, so we are good. Reduce the size and drag it here. Duplicate this and drag it here. Okay, so there we go. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I hope it was very helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to this channel. And if you have any question, kindly leave that in the comment section and I'll respond. Have a good time.